and check out our Emporium. Okay, so it's a shop. But the reason we call it an Emporium is because it is full, it's a treasure trove of fabulous stuff, a lot of which is actually free because we care passionately about helping you think and learn. So in there, you will find all sorts of documents that you can download free, gratis, and for nothing in the Emporium. If, on the other hand, you want a little bit more support to find out how to use all these straightforward tools and techniques in a more sophisticated or nuanced way, then there are plenty of documents that are case studies and step-by-step guides to how to use these tools and techniques in the Emporium. Check it out.